Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Shitty Solutions. Today is beautiful spring day and we are going for a little drive near our town Cholet, near River Dubisa. We'll be looking for some muddy roads because it should still be there. So stick around and let's see if I manage to make Range Rover stuck in the mud. Well, let's see. No problem.
It's definitely better to scratch Rover's paint than break another light. Trust me, I have learned this the hard way. It's a calm Sunday morning. It's pleasantly warm outside and spring is already in the air. In the forest, birds are singing peacefully today. There's no need to rush anywhere.
Okay, forest is really dry. I don't know if I'm too late to spring wet roads or it just was very cold yesterday.
I visited this fort in winter and it was quite challenging back then, so I'm really curious to see how difficult it's going to be now in spring conditions. Let's find out.
Joia. Не бьё.
Well, that turned out much easier than expected. We crossed the fort smoothly and without any trouble. So now we're moving forward through this beautiful forest road. The scenery here is simply stunning this time of year.
Nebloga pavasarinė pliurza.
Whoops, the exhaust pipe just took a slight hit here. Let's hope it's just a minor bump and there's no permanent damage.
Has anyone seen my green wheel? I guess it changed color to brown. Oh my starry nights, how I'm going to wash it? Looks impossible.
Oh my god.
Now I'm slowly maneuvering out of these deep mud ruts to find smoother, more forgiving path. I'm keeping the traction control on, staying in high range and hoping for the best.
Ui. круче.
Okay, I might need some more speed. Woohoo! Now we'll continue our journey along dry, enjoyable Padubices forest trails, and soon we'll reach the Krajantes River's crossing. Don't go anywhere, it's still unclear whenever we'll cross it or have to turn around. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it costs nothing but really helps us bring more adventures like this. And the drone has crashed into the tree again. Well, I guess that's our sign, it's time to head home.
Okay, our short trip is over. It's only 12 o'clock and we are heading home. It's a short trip, but it was few adventurous roads. We almost tipped over. Our wheels were buried in mud, so not too bad, not too bad. I liked it. Okay, now it's time to head to the city, wash the car and go home. So thank you for watching and goodbye.